Received the machine. The machine is wrapped in shrink film. There are tools, windproof, and gasket inside. A screwdriver. It's actually quite simple to apply. Or just pick it up, or just pop it open with your hand. The first thing after receiving them, we put it on the table. Check if the tabletop shakes, and whether the machine is stable. If it doesn't shake, there are 4 machine feet below it to adjust its height. Then, we open the toolkit. There will be generally in the kit our gaskets and auxiliary washers, 1 gasket for each model. Then we will put the thinnest washer on the top, to make a sample, to prevent the gasket from falling off. Let's open the gasket kit. This is an acrylic cover. It's for protection against being hit by the wheels. From being hit by wheels. This is the power cord. We export the inside, the smallest one in the toolkit,
and take out the screws inside.
To install this acrylic cover.
Then this one is something we must keep.
It's for long term, which we need to adjust the height occasionally. Wrench para cinch. Then we take these away and save them. We will provide 5 screws and 1 more than we take out 4. And that's okay.
We take out the smallest one of these 4.
The smallest hexagon wrench. No. We hold up the acrylic soap. Align the holes. INSTLL diagonally. Install the screw diagonally. It'll be more stable and more balanced. Hold it slightly and lock it. Don't lock it too tight because it's a fragile item. Just hang it without shaking. The second thing is we remove this jar. Remove it when it's not powered on. Grab the handle screws under these 2 wheels. Turn it counterclockwise. And it will come off. Be like our wind. Or we can directly press the start button. It will come down. This is our wind like. Remember to keep it. Then, we turn on the power. Because I have a power cord here, I'll just power it on directly. The wire behind us is quite long. Take it out. Then plug this wire. There are 3 sections in total. Be sure to plug in all 3 sections. After plugging it in, this one. Here is off, this side is on. Minus sign is on. The power is turned on when facing the minus sign. After turning it on,
our screen will light up.
Press the start button when you use it for the first time.
To restore its height, we use sparkling water to test it at factory.
For example, if it's 5,
our customer chose the same model of 500 and 330.
So we will use 500 and 300. We will use them for a test.
The customer chose the 500 milliliters
and the 330.
Let's test each one of them.
How do we use it normally? For example, this is a 500A. We choose the gasket of 500 ml. We put it on and press the start. It doesn't require any extra operation when using. Press the start button. Okay. How do we switch to 330?
For 303 milliliters, we change to a cup holder.
Put it on. Press the start button. Because it's a sparkling water.
Our factory tests it with sparkling water.
And the test ensures it doesn't leak.
As long as the can hardens.
The use and operation of this machine is so simple. Then, there are readings on it because it was temporarily online. It's a quick stop.
We double-click the middle setting.
It can be cleared.
Then long press the middle setting key for 12 seconds.
It will switch languages. The machine's built-in Chinese, English, and the Korean.
And they alternate.
Then, the start button. It will start normally, but as I just did, it is an emergency stop for special situations.
It's an emergency stop, and the start button has a third function.
If we press it for 13 seconds, the number will turn red. Generally, the number will not exceed 50 times. Our factory has done tests. It won't count during the aging process. The test proved that for example, this machine
just 2 types of tanks,
and 2 kinds of caps, and 4 kinds of tests. We need to test nearly 10 of each type, so we have nearly 40 tests. This one is temporarily adjusted,
so we only tested it more than 20 times.
Then press it down.
It will still return to normal count 1.
Then double-click to clear, and then click. This key is
we may use it in the subsequent debugging process.
It's not usually used for this. Jog key. The emergency stop is the safety. Okay, that's how to use the entire machine. That's all for the machine.